The Bressvi FPPWFU01 water filter delivers noticeably cleaner tasting water by stripping out a very high percentage of chlorine, off odors, and common household contaminants. Its use of high-activity coconut shell carbon gives it strong adsorption performance, so tap water ends up smoother and more pleasant for drinking, coffee, and tea. The filter life of up to 6 months, or roughly 200 gallons, means fewer changes and a meaningful reduction in disposable plastic bottle use. It is engineered to fit a wide range of Frigidaire and Electrolux refrigerators that use the FPPWFU01 style cartridge, making it a convenient alternative to original manufacturer filters. Independent certification to a respected drinking water standard and the use of food-grade, lead-free, and BPA-free materials inspire confidence in everyday use. Installation is straightforward, the seal seats securely without tools, and flow remains strong, so you get clear water quickly without annoying drips or leaks.